Hi and welcome to mathematicsmadeeasy.com. Myself Arun Kumar Singh. I am a graduate from IIT Roorkee. In this video, we are going to discuss about the solution of question number 9 of chapter Time and Work from the book R.S. Agrawal, which is written for ICSE boards. Question number 9 says, if A and B can do a job in 30 days, B alone can do 1/3 of the job in 15 days, then in how many days A can alone do this, right? So in the first question, in the first line it is written A and B can do the complete job in 30 days. So A and B, the 1 day work would be how much? 1/30, correct? In the second part it is a little tricky, that is B alone can do 1/3 of the job in 15 days. In the previous questions we have seen that it was always giving that it can complete the whole task in this many days, right? But here it is saying that it can complete the 1/3 work in 15 days. So time taken by B to complete the 1/3 of work is how much? 15 days. So how much time it will take to complete the one work? The total work would be equal to 15 upon 1/3. That would be 15 into 3. That is 45 days, correct? This is very simple. You can say 1/3 work is completed in 15 days. The total work would be completed in how much? It will triple, right? So 15 into 3, that is 45 days. So so we have got that B can complete the whole work in 45 days. Then how much it would be the work done in 1 day? So B's 1 day work would be how much? 1/45, because it completes the whole work in 45 days. So its 1 day work would be 1/45. So we know that A plus B of 1 day work is 1/30. B's 1 day work is 45. So if we subtract second one from first, then we'll get the A's 1 day work, right? So 1 day work of A's 1 day work is equal to 1/30 minus 1/45. So we'll simplify it. We'll take the LCM of 30 and 45, that is 90, and 30 3s are 90, 3 1s are 3, minus 45 2s are 90 and 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1/90. So this is the work done by A in 1 day. So how much time A will take to complete the whole task? That would be just reverse of 1/90. So it will be 90. So the time required by A to complete the whole task alone would be 90 days. You can visit my website www.mathematicsmadeeasy.com to watch more videos and solutions of different chapters. These videos are also available in Hindi as well as English language. Thanks for watching this video.